Wabarakatuh. Okay, today we are in our pneumatic and hydraulic class, and this is our first lab. Topic on hydraulic system. And firstly, this is our diagram in your fluid sim software.
Okay, now we want to simulate the system that we have designed. Okay, the condition is when the push button is pushed and the actuator will extract, and when we release the push, the actuator will retract. That's all from us. Hello, our lab were done on the hydraulic bench. This is all the apparatus. First is the pump unit, which have reservoir and pump. It also connected with on-off switch. Second, the apparatus used is pressure gauge. This device used to show the pressure value of the fluid in PSI unit. In this lab, 2 pressure gauge is required. Next, we have used the DCV, which is directional control valve, called 4 two-way valve that control with push button. Fourth is double acting actuator as the output, which can retract and extract. Next is pressure release valve. This device function is to relieve the unnecessary pressure back to the tank. And this is the most important apparatus, which is connecting pipe to allow flowing of fluid. This is the emergency button to shut down the system for safety.
Firstly, we begin our connection from the pump unit to the pressure gauge, and then from the pressure gauge to the 4 two-way directional control valve. This 4 two-way control valve has 4 channels, that is A, B, P, and T. Next, we connect the valve to the actuator and make sure the connection of A and B is correct to prevent the reverse direction. We connect another pressure gauge at the actuator to measure pressure inside the actuator. Lastly, connect the pipe to the pressure relief valve and then to the tank.
Now I will show you how to operate the system. Come closer. This is the switch. Push on the switch to switch on. Now the fluid will flow from the pump to the pressure gauge, and it will show the pressure. From the gauge, it will flow to the DCV. Then to the double acting cylinder. After that, it will flow to the pressure relief valve, and then it will flow back to the tank. Now, once we push the button, the cylinder will extend. After we release the button, the cylinder will retract. We can see the pressure in the cylinder. This is how the system works. Thank you.